Hi everybody, this is our daily agenda for Friday, May 28th. For today, we got a lot to do. It's a Friday, we're getting out, we're almost there, ladies and gentlemen, 3 more days until summer. So, for your announcements today, make sure it's events, cameras, no late work again will be accepted past May 30th at 11:59. And reminder, there is no school this Monday, 5:31, so enjoy your 3-day right before vacation, your 3-day weekend, ladies and gentlemen. You guys deserve it. All right. So, before we get into sonnets and our poetry, we're doing a scholar survey. It's the end of the school year, ladies and gentlemen. So, I want you guys to go ahead and take this survey for your first 10 minutes. You're just taking the survey on the first 2 slides. You are going to highlight whatever section you feel is most appropriate to you. Do you feel like you have many more things to learn? Do you always feel that way? Usually, sometimes, seldom, or never. Just highlight it. There's no right or wrong answer. Answer however you would like. I promise. It's not gonna be graded down just because you put a never or a seldom. I promise, okay? And then you are going to go ahead and do your scholar reflection. For anything that you did choose as seldom or never, write them right here. Why did you choose them as seldom or never? What traits? So of these ones, which ones did you say you seldom do or never do? And what can you do to maybe improve them so you are starting to do them? Okay, and then once we talk about that, we're going to do a quick Jamboard and talk about what are some of the habits of scholars. What do scholars do? What have you done as a scholar this year? Really take a moment to kind of think about it and reflect back on our year. Afterwards, you guys are going to be given the chance today in class to see some of the habits of a scholar. So these 11 traits right here, I'm not going to read them all. You guys can go in and read them yourselves. But traits would include things like academic humility. Scholars understand that no matter how much we learn, there's always more to learn. Even me, even Ms. Arroyo, we all agree that there's always more to learn as a scholar. There's also being prepared, being ready to learn, wanting to learn. So these are the 11 traits. You can go ahead and look at them as well. You're going to pick the top 4 traits, so maybe the top 4 traits that you said you always do or you always think about. And you guys are going to make a scholar chart. So if you said preparation was one trait that you always exhibit, write it down right here, preparation. And then type, how do you showcase preparation? How do you do that, ladies and gentlemen? So you can do that here. Make sure to insert a picture of yourself as well. I'll make sure to include an example as well in Google Classroom, but that's what we'll be doing. Once you guys have finished that, you guys will be working on your poetry, anything that you have not finished over the last couple of days. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be it for today. Our exit ticket, you guys have been working really hard. So what activity would you like to complete on Tuesday, 6/1? I've got some 3 fun activities. We've got Jeopardy, Virtual Scavenger Hunt, and I Spy. So whatever you guys would like to play, let me know, and we'll set that up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a great rest of your day. If you need any help, reach out to me, reach out to Ms. Roya, reach out to Ms. Reyes, and we'll help you guys out. I'll see you guys in class.